What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today I come across something really cool at Walmart. I always check the sporting and outdoor section and this item was very new. This is waterproof survival kit by Live Gear. Yep, so this is inside of a dry bag. As you can see, it's not as big as a basketball, and also you can use this part as a handle. Super cool. We all know dry bags are amazing. You can use it as a flotation device, water carrier. You can even do laundry inside of the dry bag. But also what I'm interested, what have we got inside of this survival kit? I paid for this thing $58. Okay, hopefully it will be worth it. Okay, let's see what we got here. You unroll it like that, and as you can see, it becomes a really big bucket. Okay. First thing we got here, waterproof safety matches. That is cool. Burn care relief gel. This is actually very important to have, especially when you're out there in the woods. Maybe you're going to fall in a fire or something like that. It's a really cool item. I never seen a burn relief care in a survival kit. Then looks like we have a couple of flashlights. So far so good. I do love this flashlight right here. This is a self-rechargeable flashlight, and I have had this flashlight for a long time already, and I always use them. Just go like that, I charge it, turn it off, and it holds the charge really well. I love these flashlights. When you don't need it, you just press it and lock it right here. Super nice. And then you have here, let's see, next you got here 50 lumen 20-hour flashlight. That's more than enough. That's a great flashlight if it has 50 lumens for 20 hours with 2 batteries. Pretty decent flashlight, I like it. Okay, what else we got here? Oh, that's a strap. That's a strap for the water bag right here. I might as well just keep it right here. I guess they put it inside so that way you don't lose it in shipping and stuff. When I bought it, it was just sitting like that. Of course, it was tied in without any kind of packaging. Super cool. Okay. Wow, I see paracord rope. Orange. Pretty decent amount. You can set up tents, tarps, whatever. Looks like there's a striker in there. And signal mirror, compass, and I think you're supposed to stuff it maybe with matches or some kind of tinder, so that way it's easy to start a fire. Then looks like water purification tablets, yep, something like that. And then I'm not a big fan of this kind of survival tools, but there you go, you get one of these, a big roll of duct tape. I wonder how they cut it off. A duct tape piece into these skinny pieces, maybe. Very nice. I like that it's a big duct tape roll, not something tiny. What is this? Emergency blanket. Looks like there's a couple of them. By the way, this is a 72 hours 2-person waterproof survival kit. This is why there's 2 emergency blanket, one of those aluminum stuff, pretty cheap stuff. But they go 2 pink ponchos. Very nice. Actually, when I was in Florida at the Universal, you make sure you bring one of those ponchos if you go in theme park in Florida. Most likely you're going to get rained on. Okay, nice. SOS Ration survival food right here. High calorie stuff. That's a good stuff. Is it all going to be survival food? Not yet. There's 2 blocks. It's gonna last you a while. Looks like there's water. Nice. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of water. I love water bags. Such a great design. There's more stuff. There's another water bag. You know what? I actually looked it up. And this water in the plastic bags are kind of expensive actually. This stuff too, like $14 to $24. Okay, and there is one more thing. This is a little survival kit. Actually, it's a big survival kit. Let me unbox that. Whoa, look at that roll of toilet paper. Never had a toilet paper like that in a survival kit. I like that there is no hole inside of it for the, what do you call it, the stand. There's instruction. What is that? Instant ice pack. I really like that a lot better than heat pack. In case you bruise yourself, you can apply it to your shoulder. I don't know, whatever you're going to get bruised up. Whoa, what is that? Check this out, guys. I've never seen blister band-aids in this kind of design. That's definitely one of a kind. And they feel very, very soft. I like it. If you have to hike a long time, probably very, very useful item. First I spun glaze pad, a roll of bandages sealed, so that way it's not going to get contaminated. This is a really nice bunch of alcohol pads, in case you need to even wash your hands. Bunch of band-aids, gaze pad. Wow, this is really nice. And you know what? I like that it's pretty simple stuff that anybody can use. So it's like a first aid, not doctor grade first aid. Cleaning wipe, alcohol free. That's really cool. There's gloves, latex probably. No way! A whole bottle of alcohol or hand sanitizers. That's what I mean. One of those gel things. Another tape right here. This is nice when you can tape it up so the bandage doesn't come off. Another bandage, and I love that elastic bandage. I used it all the time back in the day when you pull your ankle or your arm while you play basketball and stuff like that. That helps you keep everything together and tight, and you can continue hiking, running, playing basketball. This is very important to even have it all the time. One of these bandage scissors, I like that a lot. Whole bunch, I think 5, what is it called, safety pins. And this is nice. One of these tweezers, take out scabs and things like that. Very useful item. You know what, for $68, I cannot complain. There's a lot of good stuff. I don't know, would it be cheaper if I bought all this stuff myself? Probably not. Or maybe I would have broken even. Especially with these dry bags. I love the design of it. It feels like high quality. Very nice. And you know what? It's a really cool idea for survival kit. Because you don't have to fit everything together. You can just stuff it, everything in, all your survival food, refill it. It's not too tight. You can even fill it up with more stuff, your own stuff. If you don't like this survival kit, make it a little bit more expensive by buying extra stuff, like, I don't know, maybe a knife. This survival kit don't have a knife or fire starter, but they do give you matches. So I'd say this is very, very decent survival kit. I think it was worth my money, that's for sure. A lot of times whenever you get a survival kit in a backpack or some kind of case, it is really, really hard to put it back together. Let me show you guys how easy it is to put this one back together. So I'm just putting all my survival stuff, first aid, back in. I guess I'll put this information as well. Close it. Oh yeah, there is alcohol as well. I'll just stick it like that. Boom, and just stick everything in a bag. I kind of like it that I am packaging. Most of that stuff didn't have to have packages. So now I have even more space. Super easy to put everything back together. Or now, if I use any of those items, it will be pretty easy to refill it and make my own survival kit. If you add on some air to it, it will float. But if you don't want air, you just take it out first. Make sure all the air is out. Spin it. and then close it, and guess what? You have a strap as well, adjustable. Put it over your shoulder. Very nice. You know what? For 60 bucks, I say this was worth it. I like this waterproof survival kit. Most of the survival kit, not even the waterproof ones. So definitely a thumbs up for me. But let me know in comments below, is there any better survival kits or more expensive survival kits that you want me to put to the test? Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like survival kits. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.